Most people get this wrong when their Blackout Bingo account gets banned or suspended. Their first reaction is to create a new account immediately, or assume they'll never get access back. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Many account restrictions can only be resolved by understanding why the account was flagged in the first place, and following the proper recovery process. In this video, I'll show you what to do if your Blackout Bingo account is banned, suspended, or restricted in 2026, and the steps that give you the best chance of resolving the issue. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you should do is determine what type of restriction you're dealing with. Can you log in but not access certain features? Did you receive a suspension notice? Or is your account completely inaccessible? Understanding the exact issue helps you choose the correct solution. This is where most people fail. They start guessing. Instead of guessing, carefully read any message, email, or notification associated with the restriction. Platforms often provide information about why an action was taken and what steps are required next. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many account restrictions are triggered automatically by security systems. For example, if Jake logs into the same account from multiple devices in a short period, changes account information repeatedly, or triggers unusual activity alerts, the system may temporarily flag the account for review. That doesn't automatically mean the account is permanently banned. But here's the problem. Many users ignore the platform's rules, and then become surprised when restrictions occur. Violations of terms of service, inaccurate account information, payment-related issues, or suspicious activity can all lead to account reviews or restrictions. In a minute, I'll show you the most important step in the recovery process. Before that, make sure all your account information is accurate and up to date. Incorrect personal details or verification information can sometimes create additional complications during account reviews. Now here's the most important step. Contact official customer support. Provide clear information about your account, explain the issue, and follow any instructions they provide. If the restriction was applied by mistake, support may be able to review the situation and provide additional guidance. Be patient during the process. Submitting multiple requests or creating new accounts may complicate the situation rather than solve it. This is where many users accidentally make things worse. Let's quickly recap. Identify the type of restriction. Read all account notifications carefully. Review the platform's rules and requirements. Verify your account information. Contact customer support through official channels. And follow the instructions provided during the review process. These steps give you the best chance of understanding and resolving an account restriction in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more app troubleshooting tutorials and gaming guides, and let me know in the comments what type of account issue you're experiencing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.